My name is Ryan Schumann, and I made an application that allows beginner fishermen to learn the three main types of fish, what they look like, the lures, and the location and where they can find them. Your first tab here allows you to select between the three fish, displays a picture of what the fish looks like, and then above you'll see a rich text box, also again labeling the picture itself. Under the Lures tab, you can go ahead and click the corresponding fish, and you will see the multi-line text box with a few different lures that work best with that fish. And then location lookup, you can type in where to find a certain fish as if you would a URL. You got your go to button, you have your back, forward, refresh, stop, home, and this is going to be your progress bar of the loading. I'll go ahead and close this. And we'll go through a quick walkthrough of the coding. This is going to be with your combo box, corresponds with the picture box, tells it when to run and when not to run. The same with the combo box 2. It's going to tell you when to run and when not to run. And then this is going to be your navigation bar, or URL bar, navigation box, and each button and how they'll run and operate.